Good morning, students. As you all know that in the previous classes I have demonstrated English literature course book. Today I am going to demonstrate the lesson laser in the English literature workbook. So come to the exercise 1. Put a line under the subject in the following. In this, the boy asked a question. In this, the boy is the subject, because subject, it is a person, place or thing which does the work. So the boy is the subject. In the next one, she went to the market. In this, she is the subject because it is denoted for a girl, so it is a subject. The children played under the old banyan tree. In this, the children is the subject, so mention it like this. Rohan and Reena talked to the clown. In this, Rohan and Reena is the subject, so underline it. Next, the big brown bear climbed the rocky path. In this, the big brown bear is the subject, so underline it. Shona, Dilip and their friends come to our party. In this, Shona, Dilip and their friends is the subject, so underline it like this. Next is the man who sold me the bicycle is walking down the road. In this, the man is the subject here, so underline it. So complete this exercise and come to the second one. In this, you have to give the suitable subjects to these sentences. Okay. Next, first one is given, dash woke me up with a scream. In this, you mention as a subject the boy. Come to the next, dash told the boy to go home. The teacher told the boy to go home. Next, the dash gave the beggar a coin. So the rich man gave the beggar a coin. Next, dash is looking out of the window. You can mention name. Ram is looking out of the window. Next is dash found the treasure chest. So Sita found the treasure chest. Come to the next exercise. Exercise 2. Underline on the direct objects in the following sentences. My father sang a song. In this is a sentence. For an example, the car hit the tree. We can ask the question, what did the car hit? The answer is the tree, so that tree is the direct object like this. My father sang a song. A song is the direct object, so underline it. My mother clapped her hands. Her hands is the direct object, so underline it. Next is the children danced a jig. A jig is the direct object, so underline it. My father lost an extremely valuable watch. So extremely valuable watch is the subject here. Direct object, so underline it. My mother found a 100 rupee note. So question arise that what my mother found? 100 rupee note. So 100 rupee note is the direct object, so underline it because it is given to underline all the direct objects. Next is the children spent the money. So what did the children spend? The children spent the money is the direct object, so underline it. So complete your exercise 2 also. Come to the next page. Come to the next page. In this exercise 3 is given, put one line under the direct objects and two line under the indirect objects. So it is easy to make it clear that which is the direct and which is the indirect object. He sent the box to his mother. So he sent what? The box, it is direct object, so underline it with single line, and his mother is the indirect, so double line under it. Okay. Come to the next. She found a present for her husband. In this, present is the direct object and her husband is the indirect object. So underline it with the 2 lines. The man bought a carpet for himself. Here carpet is the direct, so underline it with single, and for himself is the indirect, so underline it with the double line and mention indirect object. Okay. Come to the next. Mohan threw the ball to his brother. In this, the ball is the direct object, so underline it with the single, and his brother is the indirect, so underline it with the double lines. Okay. I gave the balloon to the child. In this, the balloon is the direct, so underline it with the single line, and the child is the indirect, so underline it with this double line. Okay, complete it like this. And come to the last exercise of today's. Match the following. I told him to get up, but he is still lying down. So, this is the first one. I told him to come quickly, but he still has not arrived. So, this is the second one. Third, she paid the shop last week, but they still haven't sent the books. This is the third one. Come to the next. I told him to fix the car, but he still hasn't fixed it. This is the fourth one. So mention 4. He told her to read the book. This is the last answer, but she still has not read it. So we mention 5 here. So what you all have to do? You all have to fill it into the book only with the help of pencil and learn and revise this chapter also. Okay. Thank you, beta.